Hi. Welcome to the Xavant University. This video will show you how to navigate through the courses and lessons on our online learning platform. Once you've completed the registration process and activated your account, you can go ahead and log in on the university website. If you scroll down, you will see all the courses that are currently available. Select the course that you would like to take. On the next page, click the Take This Course button to enroll. You will notice, at the top of the page, that there is now a progress bar that tracks how far you've completed the course. Below the main image, you will see all the lessons that make up this course. Click on the lesson title to go to the lesson page. Here, you will see the lesson content table that shows the topics and the quiz that make up the lesson. On the left of your screen, there is a sidebar menu that displays all the other lessons in this course. On the content table, click on the topic title. You will now see the contents of this lesson. Once you have worked through the information, you can move to the next topic in the lesson. When you've worked through all the topics and contents of the lesson, you can click on the quiz title in the sidebar, on the left of your screen, to take the quiz and test your knowledge. When you've answered all the questions, you can click on the quiz summary button, and then the finish quiz button, to receive your results. It's important to note that some lessons do not contain topics, like Lesson 3 in this course. These function in the same way as the other lessons. Just click on the lesson title, and the lesson content will be displayed. We hope you have a pleasant learning experience, and we wish you the best of luck.